It's 1 a.m. and I'm outside of my house. Why? Because someone broke into my car. Correction, they stole my car. Yeah, there's the cops right there. And they're out here talking with my wife. They're out here talking to my wife and D. There's D right there. Coincidence that they have the spotlight on D like he's the suspect. But they're asking all the typical questions that need to be asked. You're probably not going to see anything because I have a crappy camera. But you got broken stuff out here. The post is broken. You got the little cable box post laying out here in the middle of the street. So this is lots of fun.
A-N-C-E. What's your date of birth? 12/31/78.
Isn't this fun? Isn't this enjoyable? I'm sure we're gonna have lots of laughs about this later in life. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta kick some ass. McGruff the crime dog, out.